In this video, you'll learn how to upload a video on Slack. This process is straightforward and will help you share important content with your team effectively. Begin by launching the Slack application on your device. If you are using a web browser, navigate to the Slack website and sign in with your credentials. If prompted, once you have successfully signed in, you will arrive at your Slack workspace dashboard. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the home icon, which resembles a small house. This action will take you to your home view where you can see recent messages and activities. After that, find and click on the channels option in the sidebar. This will display a list of available channels in your workspace. Choose a channel where you want to upload the video. Make sure to select a channel that is appropriate for the content you are sharing. Once you have selected the channel, click on the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type messages and share files. Look for the plus sign icon, usually located to the left of the chat box. Click on the plus sign icon, which will open a menu with various options. Select Upload from your computer. This will open your file explorer, allowing you to browse your device for the video file you wish to upload. Now, locate the video file you want to upload. Before proceeding, consider the file size, as larger files may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Ensure that your Slack workspace has sufficient storage for the file you're about to share. After selecting the video file, click on the Open button in the File Explorer. This will initiate the upload process. You may see a progress indicator showing the upload status. Wait for the upload to complete before moving on. Once the video has been uploaded, you will see a preview in the chat box. Finally, click on the Send button to share the video with the channel. Your team members will now be able to view and engage with the video content you have shared, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.